Hi, boys and girls. Next week, we are going to focus on story problems and deciding whether to add or subtract when you see certain math terms in them. So, I would like to make a review video before that to review all the math vocabulary that we have been working with up to this point. Um, so everyone has seen plus and minus. You've seen the plus sign and the minus sign. Here they are. I've got a plus sign. This tells us to add or join two groups together. So I'll be putting some more cubes with some cubes when I add. The minus or subtract sign tells us to take apart. So I have a big group and I'm taking some away. We've been working on subtraction quite a bit this past week. And then, of course, here is the equals sign. Equal or equals tells us to basically to balance the equation or what we know. So if I know that 6 is the same as 3 and 3 or 3 plus 3. This equation is balanced. I have 6. I have 3 and 3. I have the same amount on both sides of the equal sign. So just to review those three terms, plus, minus, equal or equals. Great. All right. We've also been working a lot with this number bond, and a number bond is just a way to organize your part whole when you're looking at breaking apart and putting together numbers. Your whole, of course, would be the big number that goes here. Your parts would be the smaller numbers that go here. So let's say I have a number bond. The number bond is very similar to the equal sign. It has to be balanced. Whatever goes into two parts has to be the same thing that goes in the whole. I have 5 as my whole. My two parts also have to equal 5. 5 together like 2 and 3 go into 5. 5 can be split up into 2 and 3. So part whole or number bonds, basically it just tells you how the parts in the whole relates to each other and it helps you form your number sentences. Some of the vocabulary words that we've been talking about when adding are plus, of course there's my plus sign, add, or put together. I'm literally taking two amounts and putting them together to make more. Let's say I have 3 Lego bricks and I put one more on it. I have just added or put together. For minus, you might hear the term subtract or take away. Sometimes you also may hear this term, take apart. And they mean the same thing. Take away or take apart means that you have a group. I have a group of 5 brown cubes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I take them apart or away, I'm literally subtracting from the cubes. So I started with 5. I took away 2. And I have 3 left. So just to review our terminology one more time, let's read these. Plus, add, put together, minus, subtract, take away or take apart, equal or equals, number bond, part, whole. Very nice. Well, I will see you boys and girls again next week when we start talking about story problems, reading story problems, and deciding what to do to solve the story problems. See you again soon. Goodbye.